unincorporated community called Valley Ford. The population here is only 147 people. Throughout this area, the indigenous Miwok and Pomo people hunted, fished, and gathered for many years. Eventually, the fur traders from Alaska, who were Russian, came to settle in 1812. They remained here until 1841, when the area came under Mexican rule. And in 1850, California became a U.S. state, and all of this region was made into part of Sonoma County. This is the town of Bodega Bay, the site of the first Russian structures built in California. The town was later named after the Spanish settlers who explored the west coast as far north as Alaska, and it was also the location of the filming of The Birds by Alfred Hitchcock. And welcome to the Sonoma coast. We lucked out and had a mostly clear day. You'll see a couple patches of fog, but overall it was very sunny and beautiful. About 65 degrees out, light wind. Here you'll see lots of wildflowers growing along the side of the road. The cliffs sometimes have ice plant on them, and you'll see many cypress trees as you're viewing here, and hope you enjoy. see lots of ice plant. This is a plant that is originally from South Africa, introduced in the early 1900s, aiming to stabilize soil along railroad tracks. It actually is very terrible for the environment. It takes water and light and nutrients and space away from native species, and it also has shallow roots and has really heavy leaves, and it actually destabilizes the coastal soil, increasing the chance of landslides, the exact opposite of what it was brought here to do. This woman's hat was blowing in the wind so that it ended up looking like a colonial hat. Awesome. The poppy was elected the state flower in 1903. The indigenous people used it for cosmetics, as a medicinal, and the seeds were used in cooking. A poppy is not allowed to be picked if on school, park, median, or outside courthouse, so federal property. It could result in a misdemeanor offense, fined up to $1,000, and as many as 6 months in jail. Anywhere else, you are free to pick the poppies. What you see here is the Russian River meeting the ocean. It starts up past Mendocino in between Willits and Ukiah, and it runs for 110 miles long. It is actually the second largest river by volume in the whole Bay Area. It's second behind the Sacramento River. This little town is called Jenner, or many people call it Jenner by the Sea. The population is only 136 people. Currently for sale right in this neighborhood is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,290 square foot house up for sale for $1,495,000. You get a view of the beach and interesting weather. Thank you for watching this video. I've spent many hours of my life enjoying this coastline, and I hope that you enjoyed this small preview of it.